Why do you always look wonky?
We look wonky, did you hear that?
I don't know.
You look a bit less wonky now.
Less wonky's good. Huh?
Less wonky.
Yep.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, Vlogmas, stop tickling Mum, that's mean.
Oh, no, no, I can't get my hands off of that.
It's just mean.
I hate being tickled.
Oh
It's
dear.
blowing outside.
It's not very nice at all.
No, it's
Oh dear.
grim.
Right, okay.
Oh,
So,
dear.
day 8, it's another little one down the bottom. How was your gym last night? Did you have a gym last night?
Yes, I did. It was very nice, I think.
It was gin-like.
No, I'm just thinking, did I have one last night? What was I doing yesterday? Did we go out?
You went out in the afternoon, not in the evening.
That's right, yes. Yes, I did enjoy my gin, thank you, while I was cooking.
I think Dad cooked last night, Mum.
I cooked the meal last night.
Oh, it was
darling.
the night before I did.
Yes.
Oh, you had bathtub gin last year?
All right. Okay.
It was that memorable, was it?
It was
Yeah,
duck and it was
very.
delicious. There we go, bathtub gin. That's a set. Yeah, you've had that one before.
Right.
Like you had the Cairo gin before. So day 8. 8.
It's
It's a weenie one.
a baby one.
Little baby one.
What's it feel like?
I don't know.
Nearly.
I'm going to say stickers.
Yeah, it's some kind of thing to put on your. What do you call? You don't call them stickers, do you?
Applique.
Applique on.
Appliques.
Mm.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, but I'm guessing.
Applique.
Applique.
I thought that was applique.
Oh, well done.
Oh, right.
It's a pineapple. Okay, so do you guys know why the pineapple is so hilarious?
No.
It's an in-joke in the Peeps now.
Oh, right.
Hang on, we're not in focus again. Come on, look. Faces. There we go. Okay, so pineapples in and of themselves, obviously delicious fruit and kind of like striking looking, yes?
Yep.
So you know in the like 80s the pampas grass was an indication of something.
Yeah.
Yeah, an upside down pineapple on a cruise ship is an indication of the same thing.
Oh,
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
I've got 2 pineapple fabrics, one of which I've used and one of which I haven't used yet, but I have to be very careful with the placement of the pineapples. So yeah, the pineapple is an in-joke, and Elena also put the pineapples on the bottom of my my little
Cup.
pin cushions that she made for me.
Oh, brilliant. Wonderful.
I might put that on my denim jacket the right way round because he does have a face. But well done for the squeezing and guessing.
Yes, there you are.
come on then.
Oh, sorry.
Number 8.
Hang on.
Ooh.
Yep.
Okay.
So,
Very little was said about this one.
Oh, a short storyline. Okay.
Oh, it's a lift.
a lift.
A lift.
Indeed.
Music makes the world go round and lifts a heavy mood. An instrument is what you need, a tuneful interlude. When you hear a happy jingle, then your senses start to tingle. This clue will help you on your quest. Small, then big, and then the rest.
Hang on, this. Look.
Ah,
Oh, right.
And it's got the same number as of like
right.
things as the numbers that
Small and big.
and 6. I think it's 136.
No.
Ah, damn it! I was well impressed with myself. 195.
Yep.
We were trying to be too clever.
We were
But
trying.
I liked your. I
We were
liked
trying to
your
overthink.
solution.
Oh yeah, now it's pink.
Of
It's very dark.
Yes.
course it is. You doubt?
No.
No, I like that one.
That was straightforward, that one.
Yeah.
I'm doing it differently today.
Okay.
Variation is the spice of life.
Yeah, but it also really confuses my tiny brain.
Okay.
It's it's easily done. Oh, Mum's trying to do some now. Oh!
Oh,
Ow!
yeah.
That's my glass. That's my hair. You're attacking me with your glasses. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I am looking at the camera.
Yes. Right. So what? Dad's off. What are your plans for this afternoon?
Oh, I'm going to chase that Z round the room.
Excellent. Well done. He's made a fire and Yeah. Oh, and you are done?
I'm finishing the bread.
Well, finish what you were saying. I've made a fire and the room is so hot
Lovely.
that if you go in there, you automatically fall asleep.
Which is why the kittens are doing this. It's been a very, very tiring morning for them both. I don't know how they're coping, really. Shocking. Max is auditioning for position as Puma Cat.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're sound asleep.
Yes, bless them. They haven't had lunch yet, have they?
No.
No, they haven't eaten the rest of their breakfast though either.
No.
No. So no lunch for them till they finish their breakfast.
I'm going to collect 3 bits of firewood on the way up.
But okay. Could you take their glass as well, please? Thank you. What are you going to do this afternoon? You're finishing the bread and the cake?
Yeah, not cake. No, cake tomorrow.
Cake tomorrow. I have just sewn, I've cut out my interfacing and I have sewn my lining to my facing pieces. I'm going to press those and then assemble the rest of the shirt. I will show you how that looks in a minute. I am going to get on and get this kitty shirt that I got started last night finished, move on to the second kitty shirt and possibly even start work on the third rose print shirt, which is part of the Zero Waste project. If I can get all of those done, which does sound like a lot, but they're all quite small projects and I don't need to look at the instructions, I know how they go together, so they should theoretically be quite quick. I will be in a very good position because then I will have 1, 2, 3 dresses left to do, of which I've done half of one already, and the other 2 dresses I can do in a day each. And then I can start working, Dragon in a Day and Sorrento Jacket, both of those are day-long projects. Then I can start working on all the stuff that I mentioned in my November plans, which I didn't even start in November. I'm gonna concentrate on the essentials side of the Make 9 and get those ones done first, and then move over to the Indulgent Make 9 and see what I can get done from there, because it would be nice to finish one of my Make 9s, given that I gave myself a giant challenge of 2 this year. And we've had an entire year, well, I've had an entire year to get them done, and yet again have procrastinated till the last minute. As I've said this loads of times before, I know I don't have to do Make 9, but I really enjoy the planning side of things. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. One time it's worked and the rest of the time it hasn't. But I do enjoy the kind of like January fresh start planning, let's put, you know, ideas together. And I have ideas for next year that theoretically I can maybe intertwine with my Make 9 as well. I really want to try the Charm Patterns Make 9 again because I was really excited about that one, and then I tried a few that were on there and they just weren't for me, which is fine. But then the more elaborate dress projects were the ones that I didn't get to because corset didn't get finished, and I kind of got a little disheartened with the other ones not looking the way I thought they would in my head. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe I revisit my Charm patterns and the Gertie's Patreon, because I have every single pattern that she's ever released from Patreon because I've been a member since the beginning, and then also I have majority of the Charm patterns, so it would be nice to like make some more of those up because we know I love the princess coat. Yeah, anyway, I am filming out of order again today. Mum and Dad are both home. Mum has had a very busy morning. She has done sourdough and it's currently sitting in front of the fire doing whatever it does in front of the fire. Apparently it likes being about 25 degrees, which the front room is currently. The kittens are asleep on the sofa, and we also had some progress this morning. I'll show you that now. So far so good. She's purring. It would be really nice if you could all get on because they really want to sleep in here. Just saying. So yeah, Chiana progress, which I'm really liking. I want to get to the point where I can leave the door open and they can come and go as they want, but I want Chi to actually sniff and, you know, like, maybe not like, I don't want her to bat them around, but I would like them to officially like touch noses and smell each other, although touch noses is quite a I like you thing, so maybe just smell each other and get a little closer before I start letting them, because I don't mind if all hell breaks loose in my room because I can control it, but if Chi wanders out and finds them somewhere else and then there's all hell breaks loose while I'm 3 rooms away, I don't want Mum and Dad to have to deal with it, kind of thing. Anyway, I'm overthinking things, as I always do. Oh, and Dad has been shopping, and Mum has also made a very delicious keto chocolate cake because it might or might not be somebody's birthday tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, on Monday. Yeah, so Mum's been very busy this morning. I made toast. Everyone's had toast for lunch, which we all very much enjoyed, and used up the last of the sourdough bread, so it's a good job Mum is making some more. I was informed to use the last of the toast as well. Anyway, so that's the kind of like progress report of the day. I'm gonna get on with the shirts, and you can just, I think, see an arm of my new cardigan there. It needs a little bit of steaming and pressing and shaping around the front, but then I have a new cardigan that Mum has knit for me, and she's currently looking for a project for herself. Anyway, I will report back later and let you know how shirt making goes. As ever, that took way longer than I thought it would, but I have a finished shirt. I've gone for these lime green buttons because they're the same colour as the cat's eyes. I think it's going to look really cute, and if I decide that I don't like it, I do have some black shell buttons that are exactly the same size that I can replace it with, but I think I like it. So I have made a very black piece of clothing, but fingers crossed, because it's such a low neckline and it's got the gold and the green in there, I'll probably wear it with this cardigan because it's the perfect green for that. I think I'll get away with it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and somebody sent me this fabric, and I had it when we were in Idle Rock, so I've had it for nearly at least 4 years, if not 5 years. I am so sorry, I cannot remember who sent me this. I think it might have been Michelle, but I'm not 100% sure. But if you did send it to me and you remember and I obviously don't, please let me know in the comments, because it is absolutely gorgeous and I love how this has turned out. So it is 5:20. Mum's out for dinner with a friend this evening, and she's going to a concert somewhere in the West, right? I can't remember exactly where. So Dad and I are fending for ourselves, but Dad went out shopping earlier and bought ribeye steaks for both of us, and so we're having steak salad, and I'm getting hungry, so I think I'm going to go and do that. But I'm going to leave everything on the heater, etc. on down here. I'll put the sewing machine on eco mode. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave everything on, and I will come back down after dinner, because I don't think it's going to be too late, and see how I feel about possibly starting on the next shirt, because I could definitely get as far as I did with this one yesterday, which is, you know, getting all the bits that don't need interfacing sewn, and then progress with this tomorrow. But I want to film tomorrow. I really do need to film, because I want to put out a proper video as well as all the Vlogmas waffles, because I appreciate that it's a lot of Vlogmas, and if you're choosing to watch mine, thank you. But I would also like some like regular sewing content on the channel as well, and I have the ideas for it, and I've got the finished products for some of them now, so I just need to pull my finger out and have enough sleep and spoons to want to function fully on camera as like an actual human and not just a facsimile of one. Anyway, food will help, and then I will be back later to let you know how I get on, and if I carry on sewing or if I call it a night and go and sit with Chi and do some editing, because I have got I said I wasn't going to mention editing. I have got a bunch of the piping video to get done, because yeah, the more I do ahead of time before I finish the full dress, the less of a giant mammoth task it will be that makes me go, oh, I can't do this, closer to the actual time of releasing it. Food, then decisions. Dad wasn't hungry, so I came back down here, and I've been down here for about an hour. I have a pile of pieces. The back princess seam's been sewn, the back yoke, the darts have been sewn, and they all now need to be pressed. I've also cut out the interfacing for it, so I am in a good position to carry on tomorrow. But it's absolutely grim outside, and I really don't want to go backwards and forwards down here. I could like do some more this evening, because it's currently, yeah, it's 7:15. I could definitely have dinner and come back down and do a little bit more, and probably get to the same point that I did with the black kitty shirt that I did yesterday. But yeah, it's grim outside, and I don't want to keep going out in the cold and the wet and the rain and the wind, so I'm going to call it a night early and do something else this evening instead. So I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that I filmed today, finished garment that I've shown you, and we will be back tomorrow for more calendars, for Sunday hangouts, and fingers crossed another couple or at least one more shirt. Wish me luck. I will see you all then. Bye.